Clear labeled jars on kitchen shelves make small homes feel larger and keep food visible and accessible. Start by choosing uniform mason jars with screw lids for staples, because consistent shapes maximize shelf packing and simplify labeling. For items that leave wasted air like cereal and granola, swap round jars for square glass jars, which compress space and stop shifting during retrieval. Use a stackable jar system for spices and smaller items to take advantage of vertical clearance. Place heavier items on lower stacks and lighter ones up top to avoid collapse. Mount a shallow pantry rail at eye level so jars sit forward for easier reach, and rotate stock with the newest purchases to the back, practicing first in, first out. Adopt a magnetic lid labeling system that uses adhesive magnetic discs or small metal tags under clear lids so you can read contents from above without moving jars. When transferring open packages into jars, scoop a measured portion into a small funnel to reduce crumbs and dust, and wipe rims before sealing to maintain airtight performance. Common mistakes include using mixed jar shapes, which creates dead air pockets and wastes shelf depth, so switch to a single uniform jar family to improve packing and visual order. Another frequent issue is illegible or misplaced labels, which lead to guessing and double purchases, so use a magnetic lid labeling system with clear type and include dates to track shelf life. A third problem is overfilling shelves and losing sight lines, which creates clutter and forgotten food, so remove everything, measure shelf depth, and plan zones for frequently used versus rarely used items so you only keep what fits comfortably. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors who can build pantry solutions and shelving tailored to jar systems. And we also help contractors find work by connecting them with homeowners looking for projects. We host an active discussion community where users trade layout tips, label templates, and product recommendations to streamline jarred storage solutions.